Hey everyone, it's Abby Andrew here today with René of Paris to tell you about a big sale we're going to be having from Black Friday through Cyber Monday this weekend, so you definitely want to check this out. It's on our warehouse sale on our website, reneofparis.com, and if you use code ABBY30, you get an additional 30% off all of the items in our warehouse sale section on our website as well. So it's a really great opportunity to maybe try out some styles you might not have picked up otherwise for a lower price point. It's also a really great time to kind of build up your wig collection. I know wigs can be a little bit of an investment. That's why I personally always love to buy wigs when they are on sale specifically, and I will wait for the big sales of the year, and Black Friday is really one of those big ones. So definitely take advantage of this, or at least go check out the options that are available on our website. So many different wig styles that come in a variety of different colors, so there's really just something for everyone available on there. Also really great to pick up some gifts for the holidays for people this time of year as well. So you'll find some really nice discounted wigs on there, as well as some wig styling tools like our René of Paris Hot Dual designed for synthetic wigs, which I'll get into more later. But this being discounted, as well as some of these wigs, just a really great opportunity to pick up a couple new things for yourself. In today's video, I wanted to give you a quick overview of just a few examples of options we will have discounted as part of our Black Friday sale. So let's just go ahead and jump into the wigs. The first style that I'm going to show in this video that is going to be discounted is one of my personal favorite styles. This is the style Ivana from the Amore Collection, which specifically has the monofilament top and lace front. There's a few different cap versions of Ivana. It's a very popular style, but I love the one from Amore with that monofilament wig cap. What that monofilament wig cap gives you, if you're not familiar with it, is it allows you to change the part in any direction, and it's also just really smooth on the top of your head. So there's the cap construction, double monofilament, so it's extra comfortable. Lace front, so you have that natural looking hairline. And of course, all of our wig caps are adjustable on the back. So let's go ahead and put this one on. Here's what Ivana looks like on. This is also in the color Melted Sunset, which is a beautiful color. I love all of the melted colors that we have. They're kind of like an ombre from darker to lighter tip gradient there. Absolutely beautiful. Here's what Ivana looks like all the way around. This wig features that lace front and monofilament wig cap. So what that allows is it allows you to pull the hair back and have it look like it's growing right out of your scalp for that really natural looking hairline. And that monofilament wig cap also allows you to change the part in any direction. So you have a lot of styling flexibility and just ultimate wig cap realism, and it's also very comfortable. Again, I have alopecia and I wear these wigs directly on my shaved head, and I don't use any adhesive or anything like that, and they are just top tier comfort and realism. Here's another wig from the Amore Collection that's going to be on sale this weekend for Black Friday. This is another one of my favorites. I love everything from the Amore Collection. This is the wig style Hayden. This is the color Honey Brown R. Hayden features that double monofilament wig cap for added comfort and ultimate styling flexibility on top. You have some silicone tabs on the front here to help for the grip, and the adjustable straps at the nape of the neck. Let's go ahead and put this one on. Hayden features a beautiful kind of curtain bang style, which is very popular right now, and it's just also very timeless as well. Kind of like that longer side bang. Beautiful medium length wig. And again, you have that double monofilament on top, which gives you the ability to change the part in any direction and have it really just look like your own scalp is peeking through. Here's what Hayden looks like all the way around. Next up is another one of my all-time favorite styles. This is Kai from the René of Paris line, and this is in the color Melted Marshmallow. So another one of those beautiful melted colors. This one's in a slightly more platinum blonde, whereas Melted Sunset's more on the golden side. This is just an absolutely beautiful chin-length bob with amazing face framing length. This wig features a lace front and lace part with a pretty good amount of space on that part there, so you have some flexibility. The adjustable straps on the nape of the neck. Here's what Kai looks like on. Again, it's an absolutely beautiful chin length bob. This is the perfect kind of style for me that would be a great go-to daily wear wig, because it's the kind of wig I can just throw on my head and not even have to think about styling, and I know it's going to look good, feel secure, and look extremely natural, especially thanks to features like that lace front and lace part that really allows it to look like it's growing right out of your scalp and then extends down to the heart as well. So you have ultimate realism there. And here's what Kai looks like all the way around. The next wig I'm going to show in this video that's going to be discounted for our Black Friday sale is the style Cheyenne, and this is also in the color Melted Marshmallow. This is an absolutely beautiful style and another favorite of mine. I've only ever tried this in a dark brunette, so I love seeing it in this blonde color. Cheyenne has a similar cap construction to Kai with the lace front and lace part, but with Cheyenne, the part is in the middle. And then you have those adjustable straps at the nape of the neck, and then open wefting, so it's nice and breathable. Here's what Cheyenne looks like on. It's an absolutely beautiful pin straight look, about collarbone length on me. And again, you have that middle part. And with that lace front and lace part, you have the ability to kind of pull it back and still have it look as though it's growing right out of your scalp. So you just have a very natural looking cap on top. What I love about seeing Kai, which is the last wig I showed, and Cheyenne side by side is the fact that they certainly have some similarities, but it just goes to show that there are so many different style options available that you can really find exactly what you're looking for, whether you want it slightly shorter, slightly longer, pin straight, slightly curved in, side part, middle part. There's a wig out there that will have exactly what you're looking for. So just definitely go check out the other options available on the website, because if you just put in all the different details, especially in our wig finder, you can really find exactly what you're looking for and not have to do any sort of compromises. All of these wigs are also available in a wide variety of colors as well. I love the length of this wig for a ponytail. Just have a lot of styling flexibility with this kind of length, while it's still the kind of length that I feel like I could just throw on my head and go out the door and know it's going to not require a lot of styling and just be a really easy daily go-to wear type of style. Here's what Cheyenne looks like all the way around. I just love the way that synthetic fiber flows. This next style is from the Noriko Collection, and this one is called Alexi, and the color is Platinum Pearl, which is, of course, like the name describes, a really beautiful platinum blonde type of color. This wig features a really nice lightweight machine-tied cap, which also has a lace front here. That machine-tied cap is really nice for ultimate durability, and it also gives you a little bit of added volume on top, which you'll see in a moment. And then you have that open wefting and adjustable straps at the nape of the neck. I really love this color, Platinum Pearl, because it's a really nice platinum color, but it still looks like natural hair kind of bleached this color. It's not too shiny. Or of course it could go for someone who has this kind of hair color naturally. Again, a really great style to just be able to throw on. Doesn't require any styling whatsoever. And I love these bangs as well. Bangs are really nice for if you don't want to have to deal with the hairline looking realistic, because they're just covered by bangs anyway. However, you do still have that lace front on this wig. So if you want to be able to kind of part the hair a little bit or pull it back, you have that option still, because you still have that really natural looking lace front there. But personally, I love wigs with bangs because then you don't even have to think about the hairline looking realistic because it's covered anyway. These bangs look really cute, kind of parted in the middle like that, or you can brush them forward a little bit. And here's what Alexi looks like all the way around. And the last wig that I'm going to show in this video that will be discounted for our Black Friday sale is the style Ray, and this is in the color Pastel Rainbow. If you haven't seen this color from René of Paris before, it is one of my absolute favorites. It kind of looks like a platinum blonde from a distance, but if you look closely, the color just has these really subtle, beautiful kind of pastel rainbow colors mixed in, and it's just absolutely beautiful and one of the most unique wig colors I've ever seen. I feel like this is a really great wig color option if you're someone who wants to try experimenting with some fun, bright colors, but you don't want to go full blue or full purple or anything like that. You just have these really beautiful, subtle looking highlights throughout here. These very subtle colors that you can really only see if you look closely or see on the light, but it's just so beautiful looking. It really just looks like unicorn hair. Ray features a lace front and lace part, and similar cap construction around the rest of the cap. Again, as always, you have those adjustable straps on the back. The first thing you want to do when you get a new wig is to check the adjustable straps to make sure it fits your head properly. Ray is such a cute, shorter style with these beautiful kind of wavy curls, and what I love about synthetic wigs is that Even when you wash the wig, it will dry back styled the same way that it came. Synthetic wigs are just so easy for that reason. And I just love the way that pastel rainbow color flows in these little waves. It is just so adorable. Such a cute style and such an amazing, fabulous color. And again, there's that lace front lace part with the part down the side there. Very natural looking and lots of flexibility to kind of pull it back. And here's what Ray looks like all the way around. So those are just a few of the absolutely beautiful styles that will be discounted for our Black Friday through Cyber Monday weekend, starting this Friday, going all the way through Monday. So definitely check out all the options available, as well as that hot tool. So great to have in your synthetic wig styling toolkit. The René of Paris hot tool is another item that will be discounted for our Black Friday through Cyber Monday sale. And this, if you don't have this already, this is something that is so essential as part of my wig toolkit. I always travel with this every time I go anywhere, so the sale is a really great time to pick one up. This is a hot tool designed specifically for use on synthetic wigs, non-heat friendly synthetic wigs. You heard that right. So normally with non-heat friendly synthetic wigs, you could not use any hot tools. You couldn't just go using any regular curling iron or straightening iron because you could melt the fibers or damage the fibers. However, with this specific tool, it is designed for regular synthetic wigs, so you can actually use it to straighten, curl, or slightly style here and there regular synthetic wigs. So for example, let's say you have a curly wig and you want it to be straightened, you can use this to do that, and vice versa. But it's also really invaluable for small styling things. Like with this wig, for example, if you look at the way it comes naturally styled, this is my favorite wig. This is Arden from the Amore Collection. Naturally, it comes out of the box kind of curved inwards a little bit. And so if you wanted to make it pin straight, you could do that. If you wanted to curl outwards a little bit, you could do that. But even more so, it's really great for, let's say you just washed a wig and maybe the bangs dried a little flat or something like that. So here, this is a good example. You can see like a little bit of a bend in the hair. Even just using this for slight styling like that, I'm just gonna go ahead and give these bangs a little bit more body. And you can see it just gives them a little bit more shape to them if it happened to dry too flat. So even just for little things like that, it's a really useful tool to have. And then if I wanted the slight wave at the bottom of this wig to be a little less dramatic, I could also just take this and pull it through and kind of straighten that out just a little bit. It's all up to your personal preference, but these little touches, it's so nice to be able to just customize a wig like this without having to worry about damaging it. So just like that, it just kind of made that curve a little bit more cohesive, because I've been wearing this wig a lot lately. And especially after you wash a wig, it doesn't always dry exactly how you want it, and this is just such an easy, simple fix right here. The reason this tool works on synthetic wigs is because it stays at 240 degrees Fahrenheit and it keeps the heat very even. So you don't have to worry about suddenly the heat spiking and it's actually hotter than what it's reading. It keeps it nice and steady and nice and low to a point that's low enough to style your wigs without actually melting or damaging the fibers. This is a really useful thing to have. This also is really great for kind of taming friction frizz a little bit. Of course, a little bit of friction frizz is inevitable with your synthetic wigs eventually, but this is really good for extending the lifespan of your wig. So if it's starting to get a little bit of that friction frizz, this can just really help to tame it and smooth it out and help it to look really nice and fresh for as long as possible. And of course, make sure to use ABBY30, that's ABBY30 at checkout for an additional 30% off. So it's definitely a really great opportunity to pick up some new wigs for yourself or maybe as a gift for somebody for the holidays at a really fantastic lower price than usual. So go to reneofparis.com to our warehouse sale on the website to see all the different options available for a discount. If nothing else, I definitely recommend checking out this synthetic hot tool because I always take this with me everywhere I go. It is so useful to have if you're someone that wears synthetic wigs like I do on pretty much a daily basis. So really great tool to have. Let us know in the comments below which of these wigs you're most excited about or which one you think you might be picking up for yourself this weekend. And in general, I hope you all have a really lovely holiday weekend and enjoy Thanksgiving with your families and get some really fun, exciting shopping done this weekend. Thanks so much for watching this video and we'll see you next time.